Time. We usually measure time with a clock. We talk about the past, the present, and the future. Some people even believe time can create wormholes in space, so that we could theoretically hop between different worlds and even visit ourselves in the past and in the future. But what really is time? Is it a measurable thing that could open many doors for us in the future, or is it something else? Einstein said in 1955 that for us believing physicists, the distinction between past, present, and future has only the significance of a stubborn illusion. Perhaps he meant that the past, present, and the future don't mean much, because in physics, time may be infinite. Or could he have meant that time is an illusion because there isn't one? For centuries, people have tried to pin down what time really is. But what if time is just a word for life itself, for how the life changes? This isn't a new question. For example, Parmenides, Parmenides in ancient Greece thought that change itself was an illusion. And if nothing changes, time must be an illusion too. St. Augustine, centuries later, said only the present is real. The past and future exist only in our minds. You see, we can measure time in units of hours or days or years, using Earth rotation as the base. And that is true. Things take time to develop, ripen, and decay. But is it because of time? The truth is, time itself doesn't exist. What we call time is just a way we measure change. Let me explain. Time is a word for a collection of changes over a certain period of time. We can measure the time, but the time is not what makes those changes. Time is like speed. It's real, it flows, it has properties, but it isn't a thing that exists on its own. Just as speed describes how fast something moves, time describes how things change while they exist. But just to humor us, let's pretend that time is a thing, an entity on its own. Then we would not have much of choice, because the time would decide for us. We would all born to the mums at the same age, and we all die at the same time. All our cells would have the same amount of time to exist. We all would have the same health problems, and we all sleep the same hours at night, because we would get tired the same amount of time. We would also all be happy at the same time and sad at the same time too, because time would be the entity that would run our life. And this is not how things work right now. We have a random amount of lottery winners, and some people get to go to space, all because life is random, and there is no time to stop us from doing anything. Time feels like it runs the show, but the reality depends on individuals' luck. And where there's luck and accidents, there can't be definite time. Einstein called time a stubborn illusion. And maybe he was right. Maybe time is just another word for change. Nothing more, nothing less. So, goodbye.